Good morning, everyone. This is Amanda Wray coming to you with another video about passive profits. And today what I want to do is just go over some of the things that I'm going to give to those who actually join me in this great opportunity. This is a postcard program, and we have currently just hit over 350 members within 4 weeks with this opportunity. We're over $100,000 in payouts, and it's just going to keep moving forward. We are at the peak season right now when it comes to postcard mailing. Around this time of year, a lot of people are generating a lot of income, and we have people that are brand new to the people who are veterans in this business making a ton of money. So what I want to do is share some of the bonuses that I'm going to give you when you decide to join me with passive profits, okay? And these bonuses are not going to be around for a while. I'm going to give people just this week alone, today is March 2nd, to make a decision. So for this entire week, you will be eligible for these bonuses that I'm going to give you when you decide to join the team. Passive profits have 6 different levels that you can come in at. And we're going to talk about the levels first, and then we're going to talk about the bonuses. So this is what you receive at the different levels. The heavyweight, which is $4,000. These are for the heavy hitters, the people who are veterans, the people that want to come in and they're ready to make a difference with their business. They're ready to just get this going, get started. You're going to pay $4,000. That's going to allow you to make $2,000 for every single person that comes into this business. You're going to get 20 books of stamps, a $200 gift card, a free vacation stay is 3 days, 2 nights, 4 free months of direct mail training. That's with my direct mail solution, which is a program that I created where I'm giving people step-by-step ways to earn a full-time income using direct mail. And you're going to get the blueprint of exactly how to do that along with the calendar and some other materials, okay? Not only that, the back office of my direct mail solution has different ways you can promote this opportunity, and we are going to go over that as well today. The cruiserweight, $2,000 to come in, you get 2,000 leads, 10 books of stamps, a $100 gift card, free vacation stay, 3 months of direct mail training. Then we have the middleweight, for $1,000 to get in. It's going to allow you to get $500 for each person that comes into the opportunity, 5 books of stamps, $50 gift card, free vacation stay, 2 months of direct mail training. And then the welterweight, which is $500 to get in. You're going to get 500 leads, 5 books of stamps, a $25 gift card, free vacation stay, and 1 month of free direct mail training. Most people are coming in right now at the middleweight, which is considered the sweet spot. That's where it's pretty much affordable for the average person. Not only that, with the middleweight, you get everything that you need to get started. When you call into the 1-800 number to actually get started with this opportunity and speak to a closer, there is some additional bonuses that come in at the $1,000 level and higher. You will need to call in directly to get those additional bonuses, okay? Then we have the lightweight, which is $300. You get 300 leads, 3 books of stamps, a $25 gift card, and then the featherweight, which is $100, 100 leads, 1 book of stamps, and a $10 gift card, okay? So what this is a home-based business opportunity. When you sign up, you will be eligible to receive 50% for each person that comes in under your ID number. Everyone is given a unique ID number. You cannot get into this program without one. So no one makes money unless they call in with an ID number. As people start to call in with your ID number, you will get paid member to member, either by mail or you can receive electronic payments, okay? So this is what the postcard looks like. And basically your picture will be here. Your ID number will be here. If you don't want to use your own picture, it will default to the picture of Ontarian and his wife, Kima. That will be here, okay? When you go to get your postcards, you will be able to put your website link here, okay? And we're going to talk about that and why that's important, because it does come with a generic website for everyone to use, but to have your unique website, your customized website is so important. And I'm going to show you what you're going to receive when you come into this business, okay? Here, it basically tells you step 1, step 2, step 3, you know, choose your earning potential, get connected to get started, send out your postcards, start to get paid. This is a numbers game. The more postcards you send out, the more different marketing materials that you use, the more you will get paid. And we have trainings every Thursday on different ways you can actually start getting paid by using different traffic techniques that are easy and simple to do. And we're going to go over one of those today as well, okay? So this is a proven system. You get a personal coach when you sign up. We do the selling and telling. The closers do the selling and telling. You don't have to try to convince anyone to join this opportunity. We close the sales for you, and this is a great way to financial freedom. I've been doing this since 2016 full-time. It has helped me to earn a full-time income. Okay? I don't have any experience with this. This is not something that I came in and I just knew what to do. But I learned the business and I worked the business until I started earning a full-time income. A full-time income for me was anything over $50,000. That's what I needed to get out of my daytime job. Okay. So this is one of the websites that you can receive when you join this opportunity. For those who come in at the $500 level or higher, will get this website at no additional charge, okay? Only for this week, no additional charge for this website. Not only that, you're gonna get 2 other websites to choose from, and we're gonna go over those right now so you can see what they look like. So you can also get this website as well. You're going to get 3 options to choose from. This is another one of the high converting websites that we use. When you click here, it will go to your postcard, okay? That will have your information on it. And when you click here, you can call in or they can dial in this number to get started, okay? So that's basically what the website looks like. And all of it just basically explains what you're getting into, how the business works, and how to get started, okay? So people won't have questions about, well, what is Passive Profits? Passive Profits is a work from home opportunity. It's going to give you the information that you need to get started. And then what we also have here is the website that goes with the postcard. So if you want one that looks exactly like your postcard, this is the website that you will want. And it has the same colors, it's color coordinated with the postcard. And here it also gives you the information about the program. It will have your information, your website, your ID number. They will click here and it will open up your postcard for them to call the number to get started, okay? So that's basically what it looks like. You choose your income level, okay? And basically you call in and you tell the person, the closer, what level you want to start at, okay? Find out your additional bonuses that you get, and then you will be able to get started. So I'm going to give this away again to everyone who comes in at the $500 level or higher, only for this week, okay? March 2nd, this week only. We're in 2020. If you want to get started, you're going to be able to get this website at no additional charge. Now, what we have also included, which we have gotten this week, and I'm going to go over that I had made, and I'm going to be sharing this information with all of my teammates, okay? We now have a digital postcard. Tell me that's not beautiful, guys. A digital postcard, you can put your picture if you don't want to. You can use Aunt wife's picture. We'll go here, your ID number here, your website link here, okay? So now you can post this on different social media outlets, and I'm going to show people exactly where to use this, okay? And this is extremely powerful because it stands out, it tells you what it's about, tells you where to call to get your bonuses, and it has your ID number on it. So I have currently posted that on my storyline. We went over a training on exactly how to do this, but this right now is on my storyline, which is here. And what I want to do is show you how many people have actually seen this so far. So this one has been up for 13 hours, 179 people have seen it. And I'll put this up 13 hours and 130 viewers have seen this. So do you think if 130 people per day are looking at your postcard, what are the chances of you getting signups? What are the chances? It's very high, because 130 people is a lot of people that are actually seeing your digital postcard and wanting to know, what is this all about? You see all of these hearts and likes that I receive? These are people who have seen this, and now I have more people, more traffic coming to my link because they want to see what this program is about. So in the training, we're going to go over, this is for all paid members, how to use these digital postcards to get unlimited traffic to your link to call the number with your ID, okay? And guys, again, beautiful, beautiful postcards, digital postcards. They stand out. Probably the best home-based business opportunity ever. Fire your boss, create a better lifestyle today. We've unlocked a secret that can put thousands weekly in your pocket simply by mailing out this exact same postcard. No experience needed. Never pick up a phone. No selling or telling. Personal success coach. Never bug loved ones. We close your sales. tells you to call the number, and it basically has your website and your ID, okay? This is a great way to brand yourself, and not only that, to start earning additional income and having people clicking on your link, okay? So for this week only, if you come in at the $1,000 level or higher, you're gonna receive this postcard, okay, this digital postcard. And not only that, when you join my team, you're gonna also receive 500 postcards by mail, okay? This is gonna be two things that you're gonna receive coming in at the $1,000 level. I'm gonna make sure that you get taken care of, that you get your digital postcard, you get your postcards to mail out. And then remember, you're gonna get that on top of the information that we went over, you know, during this meeting and viewing this website. So here, this website, let's go back to it again, just to make sure we're all on the same page. So here at the $1,000 level, which is the middleweight, you get 1,000 leaves, 5 book of stamps, $50 gift card, free vacation stay for this week only. You get the 2 additional bonuses from me. You get the digital postcard. You will also get the website, 2 free months of direct mail training. You're going to get the postcards. At the $500 level, you're going to get the website, and you're going to get the 500 leads, 5 books of stamps, $25 gift card, free vacation stay, 1 month of free training as well. And it gives you access to our Facebook group, okay? So this is what you get, guys, and you can't beat that. You get everything that you need to get started. Everything that you need, anything that you want to get that's additional is going to just speed up your results, okay? So if you want more information about this opportunity, just click on the description below. If you would like to reach out to me, contact me. That information is also in the description below. Thanks so much for viewing my video, and I'll see you back another day. Have a great day, guys.